These are the 10 rules you must follow to make your first 1 million no matter your financial situation right now. And it doesn't matter if you're working a 9-to-5 job or doing a business. These rules applies to everyone. So I'm going to start sharing the rules from number 10 up to number 1, without which it is almost impossible to become a millionaire in life. The 10th rule on my list is to create your retirement plan as soon as possible by asking your employers if they have a retirement plan in place, and if they don't, ask them to kickstart one immediately. And if you're a self-employed, you should start creating your individual retirement plan immediately. The 9th rule after creating your retirement plan is to live a debt-free life, and you can do this by creating an emergency fund to avoid borrowing money from people whenever you are faced with pressing need. And you can achieve this by drafting a written budget to help you prioritize how you spend the money you earn, especially if you're on a debt-free journey. And the 8th rule on my list is to work hard and smart. Yeah, it is very important to work hard, but working smart is much more important by using productivity and automation tools to fast forward your journey. And also, you should start asking questions early enough to avoid failing multiple times, because it is important to learn from other people's experience that have gone through the same process before, instead of going over it by yourself and failing over and over again. The 7th rule, which cannot be overemphasized, is to create network of people who are passionate about making positive impact in life. This is a very important rule for attaining your financial freedom, because information flows in a chain of network of people. And for you to do this, you must be willing to offer help at first by adding values to your relationships, and then going ahead to ask your networks for more contacts. After building your networks of people, the 6th rule for making your first 1 million is to start taking calculated risks by setting milestones and goals that must be achieved within a stipulated time. But before taking any risk, you need to carry out your due diligence, and you should also anticipate potential mistakes before making any decisions forward, because this will save you from lots of losses. No matter your financial situation right now, you cannot change it without adhering to the 5th rule, which involves saving money and making profitable investments. A lot of people brag about how they want to make so much investment, but then they end up doing nothing because they don't have any plans in place for this. And for you to be successful in making investment, you have to develop a way to make smart decisions on making more money and save up more for investments. And the 4th rule for making your first 1 million as soon as possible is to learn high income skills, because this will help you to make a lot of money within a short period. And some of these high income skills include coding and web development, content creation, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, video creation and editing, and many other high income skills out there. And number 3, you need to invest in yourself by embracing lifelong learning to improve yourself every day. And you can achieve this by prioritizing your mental health and finding a mentor to guide you along the way, and also attending webinars to help you learn. And the 2nd rule, which I will never stop talking about, is to live below your means by staying aware of lifestyle creep and not being carried away. And for you to be able to live below your means to save up more money for investment and attaining your financial freedom, you should be able to identify what is necessary and what is not necessary, and spend your money wisely. And the number 1 rule without which you can never become a millionaire is creating a clear financial plan. There's a popular adage that whoever fails to plan is planning to fail, and this applies to your financial life too. Therefore, you need to evaluate where you stand and build your financial plan by setting up a clear goal. And this plan will help you to keep track of every penny you ever earned, and this will help you to fast track your journey to financial freedom. And now that you've watched this video and ready to become a millionaire, watch this next video on the 5 ways to make your first $1 million from YouTube, and see you in the bank.